This weekend, the boys participated in their first ever Schwingen competition. This is a type of Swiss wrestling practiced especially in the rural areas, but more and more also in the cities. It is performed by wearing these special pants and holding each other on the backside with one hand on the pants. The goal is to bring your opponent on his back. As it was their boys' first turn, obviously they had to suffer a bit in the beginning. Uche lost his first one, and also Chijioke had to swallow sawdust in his first round. I really suffered with him on this round. See how the boy is twisting his arm. It's not easy, but it's part of the learning experience. And luckily the boys didn't give up, because as the competition went on, they started getting better. Uche was getting more and more courageous and grabbed his opponent firmly on his pants. With a little swing, he finally managed to win his first competition. Yes! And as tradition demands, you brush off the sawdust from your opponent's back and shake his hands. And also Chijioke celebrates some successes later on. Uno for ya. A first win sealed with a handshake. Just look at his beautiful smile. He was so proud. And of course, we are proud as well. Even Papa and Mama Nuku came to support. And after a quick break with ice cream, Uche was having strength again for his further rounds. I really enjoyed watching them. This sport is just so much fun. And seeing how they were starting to apply some technical skills, like twisting your opponent on his shoulders when he's lying on the stomach, was really great to see. Even though I did feel bad for the boy. But victory always needs a loser. And I was as proud a mom as I could be to see that it was not my boys that lost this round. This sport requires strength, perseverance, and to have faith in your own abilities. But it's also a very fair competition. You always shake hands, you always brush off the sawdust, and you try it fresh with your new opponents. They did great, and in the evening it was time to unpack the goodies they won. Which were honey, a beautiful fresh Swiss bread called Zopf. Brutus was even curious because he was smelling there's something inside that could be interesting for him as well. It's not the chocolate. What else do you have there, Uche? Let's see. Cheese. Yep, not bad. White flour to bake some bread by ourselves. And of course, most importantly for Brutus, 2 fresh sausages. And an apple juice for Uche. What a day and what a prize. Well done, boys. You did amazing.
4 van 16 gewonnen. Niet slecht, hè? Also.